Meaning of ICU.
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 ICU. ICU stands for Intensive Care Unit. It is a specialized section within a hospital that provides around-the-clock care and monitoring for critically ill patients. Patients in the ICU require constant attention from a team of highly trained healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, and respiratory therapists. The unit is equipped with advanced medical technology to support vital organ functions and treat complications. The goal of the ICU is to stabilize patients, prevent further decline, and support them through their recovery process. Overall, the ICU plays a crucial role in saving lives and improving patient outcomes.